In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Subway Princess Runner game app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are trying to install this app but you are unable because of any of these reasons, the first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store app here and make sure you open it, log in with your Gmail account before you can search for your app from Google Play Store. However, if you are already logged in but you are still unable, then you might want to tap on this profile icon here, and from this scroll down to settings, then look for network preferences and make sure you choose the first option, app download preferences, and set it to over any network. This will ensure that you are able to download and install your apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK, and now you should be good to go. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. For that, you need to go to your Play Store app, long press on it, and look for the app info here. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear next to it, or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, you want to clear the app data, and if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Play Store. At this point, clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared. Restart your smartphone and now go to Play Store and try to install your app. So I'll go ahead and now search for my app, Subway Princess Runner. Here it is. And now I'll try to install it and see if the problem has been fixed. And now look at this, I'm able to install the app. However, if you have an issue with storage, maybe you are not able to install because you don't have free space, you might want to free space on your phone by deleting maybe apps you no longer need, or even files such as videos and photos that you no longer need, to free up space for this app. So that's how you can fix can't install Subway Princess from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.